Sycope is a solution to analyze the traffic in the network. We use the network protocol to collect the data from switches, routers, and firewalls, and we use this information in our modules. We've got 4 modules. Visibility, to show the size of the communication, volume of the communication. We've got the performance module to show network delays, retransmissions, and to analyze the layer 7 data. We've got asset discovery to analyze the assets in the network, and we've got security module to show the unwanted and suspicious communication in the network. We use different mechanisms to analyze the traffic. We can use CTI, static patterns, and behavior analysis to detect the threats in the network.